Samsung launched its new smartphones under S26 lineup in some selected global market as Galaxy S26 FE. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy S26 FE boasts a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus dynamic LTPO 2X AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1900 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Exynos 2500 chipset, paired with Xclip's 950 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 128, 256, or 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the Galaxy S26 FE sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 123-degree field of view, along with the 8-megapixel telephoto lens, with 3x optical zoom plus OIS support. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting up to 8K video at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 12-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture, and it can record 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The device comes backed by a large 4,900 mAh battery with 45 watts wired fast charging support and 15 watts wireless charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 17 out of the box with One UI 9 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161.6 by 76.9 by 7.4 millimeters, and it weighs around 193 grams. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy S26 FE has been priced in the European market for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at €799, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at €899, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at €1,099. The smartphone is set to go on sale in some selected global markets starting from September 4th, and it will be offered in blueberry, graphite, and pistachio color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy S26 FE smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.